Hey, what's up, you guys? There's Noah. Brody's down there too. So today I have an unboxing. I just actually got this from Etsy and it just arrived in the mail today. So I know I have to open it up real quick. So let's take a look at what's inside. Let me fix this up. Alright, you guys, excuse the mess. As I've been trying to clean up in here. Let's actually move these hats over there. Yeah, let's move those hats. I am so excited. I ordered this a week ago, so the shipping wasn't too long. And I've been wanting this plant for a really long time. I like how it's nicely packed in there, see? The foam and everything. No, Brody, leave that alone. Wow, it's really nicely packed, see? Whoops. Let's just shake out the foam. And tear this off. And I like how this is packed so that the soil, or it's packed with plastic so that the soil doesn't create a mess everywhere. Wow, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Noah, are you excited? Ooh, the foam's just really packed in there, huh? Ooh! Oh yeah. Wow, this guy really took a lot of care in packing the plant. Wow, I'm so impressed. Wow. Oh wow, there's already a new leaf coming out right here. So this is the Alocasia Stingray. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. So this is the Alocasia Stingray. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Wow. Yeah, let me continue unpacking this, but isn't it a beauty? Hi, Noah. Yeah. Wow, look at that. I love how there's already a new leaf coming out right there. And it's really, really well packed. Let me show you guys. Look at that. The soil is packed really nice in there. I'll have to take some pointers from this guy. I'll link you guys the seller that I got this from Etsy and how much it cost in the description. But let me continue unpacking and we'll look at the plant. Okay, so let me just take this plant out of the plastic here. Yeah, I'm really impressed with how well this was packed. I've ordered, this is my second order from Etsy, but my first order was from a different seller. That was packed really nice as well, but this one was packaged better. And there we have it. Well, you guys, this was just a short unboxing, and I'll have to, you know, repot this pretty soon, but the plant looks healthy. I'm really, really happy about it. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks. Bye.